So this is November 11th, 2011, and Grayson's sweeping. He's just helping Mom sweep. He's been doing this a few minutes, just walking around the house, sweeping it up. What do you think? You having fun yet? You say hi? Say hi. Can you blow kisses? Just Grayson playing. Yes. Trying to sweep out your John Deere tractor we got from Madisonville? Where are you going to now? Oh, sweep the kitchen. Hee 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 hee. Oh, hi, Grayson. 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 Well, we plan to get our first haircut this weekend, too. Oh, the joys of toddlerhood. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, I guess, guys, he doesn't want to talk tonight. I think he's trying to torment the dogs now. He tries to do that quite often. Let's see if he'll use his clappers for you guys. Hey, Grayson. Can you show him how you do the clappers? Yay! You tell him bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Blow kisses? And tell him you're sleepy. Can you tell him you're sleepy? Is it time to go night-night? Sleep? Grayson. 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 Hey. Grayson. You say sleep? Sleep? Oh, and now bye-bye. Last time. Grayson. 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 Is that your night-night? Night. You say night-night? Night-night. Oh, you got to close it. You say bye-bye?